कहाँ है?
जस्ट अ मोमेंट।
जस्ट अ मोमेंट मतलब फिर आप कौन है, किस पद पर हैं आप? कब भेजा आपने पत्र कि ये इनकम्प्लीट है? ये
उसी समय बता दिया।
कैसे बता दिया आपने?
अरे न सर जी,
आपने उसके ऊपर कहाँ नोट लगाया कि ये इनकम्प्लीट है और आपने सूचित किया? आप झूठ मत बोलिए।
सर उसी समय बता दिया।
कहाँ है ये, इस पे कहाँ लिखा है?
He's trying to mislead this honorable court.
You are trying to mislead the honorable court. This man is involved in all the misdeeds. You take action against him. कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप? How can you go like this? कोर्ट में पहली बार आ रहे हैं क्या आप? ये कॉस्ट आपको ये सिखाएगी कि मौखिक कार्य नहीं होते हैं कार्यालयों में।
That is
9-5 दिखाइएगा, रिकॉर्ड दिखाइएगा। कहाँ है?
Just a moment,
जस्ट अ मोमेंट मतलब
Lordship.
यहाँ रखिए ना रिकॉर्ड को।
Record is here.
हाँ दिखाइए।
In fact, the annexure which he's saying that was received, that is not the annexure. This is the annexure which was received.
अच्छा
A forged word,
दिखाइएगा।
a forged application has been presented by the petitioner.
चलिए दिखाइए, देख लेंगे उसको। ये क्या है एनेक्शन?
This is
क्या
the
संपत्ति
application.
का आवेदन पत्र है कि नहीं है?
This was the incomplete application
तो
which was
आपने इसको कम्युनिकेट किया that this
this was
application is
communicated.
when was it communicated? When was it communicated? आप कौन है, किस पद पर हैं आप?
सर मैं अकाउंटेंट
हैं?
स्थापना
किसकी स्थापना देखते हैं आप?
पीसीओ लोगों
हैं?
पीसीओ
किसकी?
पीसीओ जो
पीसीओ क्या होता है? क्या होता है पीसीओ?
पंचायत समन्वय अधिकारी जो
हाँ तो क्या है इसका? कब भेजा आपने पत्र कि ये इनकम्प्लीट है? ये
सर उनको ये बता दिया था।
कब बता दिया?
उसी समय बता दिया।
कैसे बता दिया आपने?
अरे न सर जी,
आपने उसके ऊपर कहाँ नोट लगाया कि ये इनकम्प्लीट है और आपने सूचित किया? आप झूठ मत बोलिए।
सर उसी समय बता दिया।
कहाँ है ये, इस पे कहाँ लिखा है?
This application has to be submitted.
अरे भाई,
Lordship.
if an application is received in the office, then you are required to put a note. Don't tell me that how offices are run.
In
And if they don't know, then they are required to be deputed for training, or they should be thrown out of the job.
that is fine, Lordship.
नहीं
What I
कहाँ
am
कहाँ है
submitting,
सूचना? ये सूचना कहाँ है कि आपका आवेदन इनकम्प्लीट है? कंप्लीट आवेदन पत्र प्रस्तुत करिए।
the conduct of the petitioner has to
Forget
be
about the
Lordship.
conduct of the petitioner.
5 is appears to be forged.
What? Forget about the conduct of the petitioner. कब दिया? 18/7/2022 को, 23 को दीजिएगा।
When he submitted again
हाँ दिखाइएगा।
second application,
हाँ दिखाइएगा।
he is trying to mislead this honorable court.
You are trying to mislead the honorable court.
The
ये
endorsement on
18/7 को तो आपने इसको फॉरवर्ड किया है। आपने पहले आवेदन के बारे में कहाँ लिखा है इसमें कि ये जो आवेदन 9/5/22 को प्राप्त हुआ था, ये आवेदन इनकम्प्लीट था और आपने सूचना दी थी।
he says that the earlier application which I have just forwarded to your lordship, it was incomplete and the same intimation has been given to the petitioner.
Where is the intimation? I am asking you, where is the intimation? If
Oral
the
intimation has
intimation
been
is oral, then it should be recorded here that he had orally informed. This man is involved in all the misdeeds. You take action against him.
I'll file reply, lordship.
लिखिएगा। Shri Punj is for the petitioner. Shri Dheeraj Tiwari has produced an application which was filed by the petitioner for. कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप? How can you go like this? कोर्ट में पहली बार आ रहे हैं क्या आप? क्या नाम है आपका? जी संजय जैन। आप पहली बार कोर्ट आए क्या? क्या लिखा? Petitioner and which was admittedly received white inward register number 180 dated 9/5/22 and has been shown to have been disposed by the establishment on 11/5/22, but there is no order dated 11/5/22 showing the disposal of the application made by the petitioner for grant of compassionate appointment. Full stop. On the contrary, another order dated 18/7/2023 is filed, is produced, not filed, is produced, signed by the Chief Executive Officer, Janpat Panchayat Patan, to show that his application was forwarded to the subsequent application was forwarded to the Chief Executive Officer, Jila Panchayat, Jabalpur. Next para. Shri Jain, Sanjay Jain, accountant in the office of the Panchayat Coordination Officer. क्या आप तो अकाउंटेंट है, किसके कार्यालय में हैं? Accountant in Janpat Panchayat Patan submits that since application which was received on 9/5/22 was incomplete and this fact was orally informed to the petitioner, therefore no action was taken on that application. Next para. Shri Sanjay Jain is prima facie speaking a lie before the court. Full stop. There is no note on the application as has been produced by Shri Sanjay Jain to show that there is any mention of this fact that the application which was filed by the petitioner was incomplete. Full stop. There is also no mention of the fact that petitioner was orally informed about application being incomplete. Full stop. There is no provision in the official correspondence to decide applications through oral communication. Full stop. This fact gets support from the dispatch register, wherein in the last column under the heading of disposal it is mentioned within inverted commas Sthapna 11/5/2022. Full stop. If the application was disposed, then that order should have been on record as to what decision was taken to dispose of the application, but no such order has been produced by the authorities. Therefore, impugned order Annexure P8 is hereby quashed. Matter is remitted to the Chief Executive Officer, Jila Panchayat, Jabalpur, to consider the application as was filed by the petitioner on 9/5/2022, and if there are any shortcomings, then allow him to fulfill them after notifying them in writing and giving him sufficient time to fulfill those requirements and consider the application thereafter. Full stop. Let this whole exercise be carried out within period of 45 days. Full stop. Shri Sanjay Jain and the authorities of the Janpat Panchayat Patan are penalized to bear the cost of this litigation for telling lies before the court, and this cost is quantified at ₹10,000. This cost may be recovered from the officers of the Janpat Panchayat Patan and be deposited in the High Court Legal Services Committee, Jabalpur. ये कॉस्ट आपको ये सिखाएगी कि मौखिक कार्य नहीं होते हैं कार्यालयों में.